Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you are returning, thank you so much for the love and support. On this video, we'll be talking about Anele Mdoda's traditional ceremony. In a stunning traditional ceremony on April 20, media personality, radio and television host Anele Mdoda exchanged vows with Bonelela Buza James, formally starting a new chapter in her life. In a ceremony that exuded love and tradition, the 947 host reportedly wed James, a Xhosa prince, a real attorney from the Abatembu tribe. The wedding, according to people close to the couple, was held in a beautiful location. Despite rumors surfaced in November 2024, Mdoda, a proud mother of her son Alake, has kept her relationship with James relatively private. Her sparkling diamond ring, which was first seen at a red carpet event in March, was a hint to an upcoming wedding. Fans were into a fizzy when Mdoda playfully confirmed her marital status on content creator Lasizwe Dambuza's YouTube show, Awkward Dates, saying, "Because I'm married, James and Alake have already developed a close relationship that strengthened the couple's already solid foundation." The wedding comes after Zozibini Tunzi, a former Miss Universe, recently got married in a beautiful wedding in the Western Cape. Thank you very much for watching. That was all. Until we meet in my next video.